The business world is undergoing a profound transformation. Data is now the lifeblood of successful organizations. Companies that harness the power of data gain a significant competitive advantage. They make better decisions, optimize operations, and create innovative products and services. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, data is more abundant than ever before. Businesses collect vast amounts of information from various sources. This includes customer interactions, market trends, and internal operations. The key to success lies in turning this raw data into actionable insights. This is where data analytics comes in. By applying sophisticated tools and techniques, businesses can extract meaningful patterns and trends from their data. These insights can then be used to inform strategic decision-making, improve operational efficiency, and drive revenue growth. The future of business is undeniably data-driven. Companies that embrace data analytics will be the ones that thrive in the years to come, those that ignore the power of data risk being left behind. Predictive analytics is a powerful branch of data analytics that is transforming the way businesses operate. It uses historical data and sophisticated statistical algorithms to make accurate predictions about future outcomes. Imagine being able to anticipate customer needs, optimize pricing strategies, and identify potential risks before they occur. This is the power of predictive analytics. Amazon is a prime example of a company that leverages predictive analytics to great effect, setting a benchmark for others. The e-commerce giant uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze customer browsing and purchase history in real time. This allows them to recommend products that customers are most likely to buy, enhancing the shopping experience. These recommendations are not random. They are based on a deep understanding of each customer's individual preferences and behaviors. This personalized approach has been instrumental in Amazon's success, driving customer loyalty and repeat purchases. It has helped them to increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, and build brand loyalty, setting them apart from competitors. Predictive analytics is not just for retail giants like Amazon. It is a versatile tool that can be utilized across various sectors. Businesses of all sizes and industries can benefit from this powerful tool, whether they are in healthcare, finance, or manufacturing. By embracing predictive analytics, companies can gain a competitive edge, making more informed decisions. They can achieve better business outcomes, drive innovation, and ensure long-term success in an ever-evolving market. In the past, business decisions were often made based on intuition or gut feeling, relying heavily on the experience and instincts of leaders. Today, leading companies are embracing a more data-driven approach, leveraging advanced analytics and big data to guide their strategies. They recognize that data-driven decisions are more likely to be accurate, objective, and successful, minimizing risks and maximizing opportunities. Netflix is a shining example of a company that has mastered the art of data-driven decision-making, setting a benchmark in the industry. The streaming giant collects massive amounts of data on its users' viewing habits, preferences, and interactions. This includes what they watch, when they watch, how long they watch, and how they rate different shows and movies, providing a comprehensive understanding of user behavior. Netflix uses this data to inform every aspect of its business, from content acquisition to user interface design, ensuring a seamless user experience. For example, the company's recommendation engine is powered by sophisticated algorithms that analyze user data to suggest shows and movies that they are likely to enjoy, enhancing user engagement. This data-driven approach has been key to Netflix's phenomenal success, driving growth and innovation. By understanding its users' preferences, Netflix has been able to create a highly personalized and engaging streaming experience tailored to individual tastes. This has resulted in high levels of customer satisfaction, loyalty, and growth, solidifying Netflix's position as a leader in the streaming industry. Coca-Cola is a global beverage giant with a long history of success. In recent years, the company has embraced business analytics to maintain its competitive edge in a rapidly changing market. Business analytics involves using data to understand and improve business performance. Coca-Cola uses data to track a wide range of metrics. This includes sales figures, customer demographics, and marketing campaign effectiveness. By analyzing this data, the company can identify trends, spot opportunities, and make better decisions about product development, pricing, and distribution. For example, Coca-Cola used business analytics to launch its successful Share a Coke campaign. The company analyzed data on consumer preferences and social media trends to develop a personalized marketing campaign that resonated with customers around the world. The Share a Coke campaign was a huge success, boosting sales and brand engagement. This demonstrates the power of business analytics to drive tangible business results. Section 5. Machine Learning. Tesla's journey to autonomous driving. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data without explicit programming. In essence, machine learning algorithms can analyze large data sets, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on the data. Tesla, the electric vehicle manufacturer, is at the forefront of using machine learning to develop self-driving cars. Tesla's autopilot system relies on machine learning algorithms to process data from cameras, sensors, and GPS. This allows the car to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and even change lanes autonomously. Tesla's use of machine learning is not limited to self-driving cars. The company also uses machine learning to optimize battery performance, personalize the driving experience, and even predict when maintenance is needed. Tesla's success demonstrates the transformative potential of machine learning. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in various industries. Section 6. Riding the waves of change. Market trends and Peloton's rise. The business landscape is constantly evolving. New trends emerge, consumer preferences shift, and competition intensifies. To stay ahead of the curve, businesses need to be attuned to market trends and adapt quickly. Peloton, the interactive fitness platform, is a prime example of a company that has capitalized on emerging market trends. Peloton recognized the growing demand for at-home fitness solutions and the increasing popularity of connected fitness devices. By combining high-quality fitness content with a sophisticated technology platform, Peloton created a unique and compelling value proposition. The company's data-driven approach to understanding customer preferences and market trends has been instrumental in its rapid growth. Peloton tracks a wide range of data points, including user workout history, equipment usage, and customer feedback. This data allows Peloton to personalize the user experience, develop new features, and tailor its marketing efforts. Section 7. Engaging customers, building loyalty, Starbucks rewards, and data-driven connections. In today's competitive business environment, customer loyalty is more valuable than ever. Companies are constantly seeking innovative ways to engage with their customers and build lasting relationships. Companies that can build strong relationships with their customers are more likely to retain them and increase their lifetime value. This is especially true in the fast-paced world of retail and hospitality. Starbucks, the global coffeehouse chain, has mastered the art of customer engagement and loyalty building. Their approach goes beyond just serving coffee. It's about creating a memorable experience. The company's Starbucks Rewards program is a prime example of how data can be used to create personalized and rewarding customer experiences. This program has revolutionized the way customers interact with the brand. Starbucks. Rewards members earn stars for every purchase they make. These stars accumulate over time, providing customers with a sense of achievement and anticipation. They can then redeem these stars for free drinks, food, and other perks. This not only incentivizes repeat purchases, but also enhances the overall customer experience. But the program is more than just a loyalty point system. It's a sophisticated tool for gathering insights into customer behavior and preferences. It's a way for Starbucks to collect valuable data on its customers' preferences and behaviors. This data is crucial for making informed business decisions. Starbucks uses this data to personalize its marketing messages, recommend new products, and even tailor the in-store experience to individual customers. This level of personalization sets Starbucks apart from its competitors. By understanding its customers' needs and preferences, Starbucks has been able to create a loyal following of coffee lovers around the world. This global community of Starbucks enthusiasts continues to grow, driven by the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. Section 8. Sales Forecasting. Walmart's mastery of inventory management. Accurate sales forecasting is crucial for businesses of all sizes. It allows companies to optimize inventory levels, manage cash flow, and make informed decisions about production, staffing, and marketing. Walmart, the world's largest retailer, is renowned for its sophisticated inventory management system. The company uses a combination of historical data, market trends, and predictive analytics to forecast demand with remarkable accuracy. Walmart's forecasting models take into account a wide range of factors, including seasonality, weather patterns, economic conditions, and even social media trends. This data-driven approach allows Walmart to minimize stockouts, reduce waste, and offer competitive prices. By mastering the art of sales forecasting, Walmart has been able to streamline its operations, reduce costs, and increase profitability.